Welcome back in this part two of this series about my Mercedes W126. Quick update: we've fixed this veneer. It was falling off. We glued it very nicely. It's holding up very nice. Now, our second issue with this vehicle is actually the fuel accumulator. Here's the issue: if I leave the car for 24 plus hours, it will start right up. And let's try it. Well, actually, it barely did, and that's another issue with the actuator. I'm sorry, the fuel accumulator. Now we're gonna try this again. See, the problem is, you see how it starts, and it almost feels like it wants to die. We're gonna swap out the fuel accumulator. So, quick update: my car is a 1986 Mercedes W126 chassis, 420 SEL, and I require this part of replacement for my fuel accumulator. It looks like this, and it's made by Bosch. And it even says on here Bosch 0438170055, made in Germany. Hopefully, it's good stuff. I know Germans make good stuff. This vehicle lasted for over 40 years. It has to be good stuff. So, according to research, what this part actually does, it's responsible for um, keeping residual pressure in fuel system to prevent vapor lock, and this will solve the problem we're having: long warm up startup times, and sometimes stalling, and rough idle right after startup, which is very common when this part fails. Hi guys, now we're back after installation of the fuel accumulator. I have excellent results actually, and the car, my car starts really quickly now. Look at that, under 1.8 seconds, it started right up, and it feels a lot smoother. And I apologize, I couldn't film this. I was under the car. I needed both hands to do the job, and by the way, it's a little risky. Be careful. You're gonna have fuel falling on you when pulling these hoses. There are plenty of videos on that, on how to replace these on YouTube. But this is how to take care of this issue with the rough idling, warm startups. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next video.